Making money online by watching YouTube videos is a hot topic right now, so I decided to spend some time today figuring out how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. Is it really possible to replace your 9-to-5 job with these free apps and websites while earning money by watching videos without leaving your bed? Let's find out what the real truth is and how much money we can make using these types of websites. Before we start, if you find value in this video, please do consider subscribing with a notification turned on. It's free, but you will be notified whenever I upload a new and fresh strategy to make money online. Now the fact is that you may make some money by viewing YouTube videos. However, it will not be able to replace your current job. Yes, it can contribute some extra money to your bank account without you having to work hard enough. If you are a lazy person who does not want to work hard enough and spends a lot of time watching entertaining YouTube videos, I suggest that you check out these 4 websites that I will reveal one by one in a moment that will pay you for doing a simple task such as watching YouTube videos, filling out surveys, or something similar. So let's go over those 4 websites one by one. This is the first one. This website is called paidwork.com. With this website, you can actually get paid for doing a lot of different stuff, which you normally do every single day. But you need to download its iOS or Android app to make money from this. Now on this page, they will be explaining to you a little bit more about how their website works and stuff. You can earn money using this website from every country and get paid for your time and engagement. And with this website, you can earn money by playing games, completing surveys, and watching videos. And you can earn up to 150 euros or more from this website per month. You can learn more about how paid work can help you here. Paid work allows you to increase your earnings whether on the bus, at work, or even in the bathroom. However, in order to make money from this website, you must first register for it, which is free, and I will walk you through the process step by step. But first, let's look at the types of tasks we'll need to complete in order to make money from this website. Playing games may make you money. If you enjoy playing video games, this is an excellent way to increase your income. Then by filling out surveys we can make money that we do in our day-to-day basis. The third way is to watch YouTube videos, which is the topic of our video on how to make money watching YouTube videos. To make money here, you only need to view 30 seconds of video. You may also make money by completing online shopping. That is both crazy and interesting to me. Another method of earning money is to join their referral program and invite your friends and family. You can join their referral program from this link. Now you may read about how it works if you want. But first, let's sign up here to start earning money. Simply click the register button over here. That will take you to a page where you can make a free new account by entering your email address and password. Because I already have an account, I'm signing up for this website. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings. You may check how much money you made today, yesterday, in the previous 7 days, and in the previous month. Then there's the total sum of how much money you made through this website. And you'll be able to click on the Earn section over here on the left-hand side. And that will take you to the page where you can choose how you want to be paid. You can get paid to play games, fill out surveys, watch videos, and so on, as we previously demonstrated. Let's have a look at how to make money by viewing videos. Click on Earn and then Fiber. As you can see, monetization is only possible on iOS and Android mobile devices. To earn money, you must first download its iOS or Android app. This is its Android app, which has received over 5 million downloads. When you earn money, you may see something like this in your earnings dashboard. Not only that, but it has a 4.5-star rating. So, you may understand how popular this platform is. Simply download this app and earn extra money right away. Now comes the second one, admefast.com. AdmeFast is a platform where you may earn points by liking, following, subscribing to, or browsing the social media profiles of others with the points you collect. When you sign up for this account, you will earn 400 bonus points. You may discover why you should use AdmeFast from this article. It now has 6.7 core active users, and you may get paid using credit cards, cryptocurrency, and other methods. First and foremost, you must register. I'm filling out all of my information and then signing up. They will then send you a verification email. Simply click here to confirm, and your account will be verified. You will see this type of dashboard after registering a free account. People submit their social media accounts in order to gain likes, followers, subscribers, and views. You may earn free points by liking, following, subscribing to, or viewing accounts. For example, in this case, the job is to subscribe to this channel, and you will earn 5 points for doing so. people who are struggling to get subscribers, views, and followers on their social media accounts can add their accounts and pay this website for this service. You will receive points for doing so, and when you achieve a certain number of points, you will earn money. The third website I'd like to share with you today is timebucks.com. It will pay you to post things on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, and install applications, among other things. And I really enjoy it since they provide daily bonuses. They will give you free bonuses every time you log into your account. You may make money by referring others to them, and they pay you weekly via 6 different payment methods. Not only that, but if you require support, they are available to assist you and answer any of your queries. So just come over to timebucks.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, or you can do this manually by entering your email and password, as I am doing it right now. You will see this type of brand new dashboard after registering a free account. And you can see that people from all over the world are making money with this website, since they are being paid every few minutes. This website is used by people from all over the world since it is completely free. You may also view your earnings, referrals, bonuses, and wallets in this section. And it's extremely simple. Simply go to the Earn section over here, and you'll need to do several surveys and tasks in order to earn money with this website. If you enjoy games, you can also play games. People pay you to perform these tasks because they want feedback on their surveys, games, and other products. You will earn money as you register yourself and complete this. Again, you make income by referring this website to your friends, family, or social media followers by using your referral link, which you can get here. You may add several payment methods for withdrawing your earnings money from this website. Don't be concerned about payment, you will receive it on time from this website. So, sign up for free and start earning money right away. Now comes the last website. But before that, if you want to be the first to learn about new online income opportunities, like and subscribe to this channel. QuickRewards.net is the final website I wanted to share with you today. This one will also pay you for various tasks, which are somewhat similar. You can complete different surveys which are not recommended as it takes more time. You can surely play games since it is simple and enjoyable, and we probably do it every day. And you can now get paid for doing so. Then, of course, you can watch videos, which is what we came for, and ultimately, you may shop. I suggest this website since the minimum to redeem or withdraw is 1 cent, and more than $7 million has already been paid since 2002. You may withdraw money from roughly 50 major businesses using PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards. Create an account, then perform these tasks to start earning extra money now, just like the previous 3. These are the 4 websites where you may make money by performing a simple task in your leisure time. However, these websites cannot make you rich or help you in making a lot of money online. If you want to make a lot of money and replace your existing job, you may watch the videos on the screen right now. You should also subscribe to this channel and click the notification icon to stay up to date on the latest online income opportunities. See you in the next video.